Hey guys, I have my girl Tiara here. She's finally made it back. She's been doing great with her workouts. I know y'all see it. For half of y'all who want medication but don't want to do the work, follow her lead. Work out, man. You gotta lift heavy. You see them legs? Those are not Ozempic legs, okay? That is actually squatting, okay?
Not Ozempic legs.
Yes.
No, I mean, I saw your post the other day and I was just like, Quan is so right. Like, you have to do all the things. And I think when we did do the Ozempic bout, I definitely wasn't doing what I was supposed to do. Mm-hmm. And you have to be accountable, guys. Like, you have to work out, you have to eat. And that's all Quan kept telling me. Like, you're not eating. You're going to lose muscle mass. Like, you're not going to be happy with the weight loss if you don't do the thing. So I'm really grateful for Quan. Y'all better just listen. Just do what he said.
Because guys, just look. You don't want to just look at the scale. Look in the mirror. If the body not bodying, but you like the scale, that means you're not working out and you're saggy.
That's literally what I was going through. Like, the weight was falling off, but I didn't like the way my skin was looking. I was losing like all my work. Like, I built these hamstrings from scratch. And they were just getting eaten up, child. My body said, feed me, Seymour, feed me. But she's back, we're working out, and I'm really happy that I'm able to do this like on my own. And now we're going to get this next step of the car maintenance done. So what we doing?
So guys, what we're gonna do now is she's gonna be doing peptides to aid in fat loss, increase energy, and of course, she has issues with sleep, so we want to address all of that. And there's peptides that can do any of these things, any of the bodily functions that you may be having issues with. Peptides can actually treat that, natural stuff, so you can get off all these medications that do nothing but make you feel worse. Okay, so you're going to be doing that, and then we're going to be getting her into some peptides for her knee pain as well.
You know, I was just saying to Quan that as soon as you like start to address one thing, it's like something else goes wrong on the car. So right now we are just like gonna take care of maintenance, and I'm really excited to make sure that I am at my tip top so I can really work out, because that's really been keeping me sane. But these knees, child, been giving me pain. The knees been giving me pain.
And there's actually a peptide for that as well. Also, you can use PRP, which is we draw your blood, we spin it, and we inject into the area of discomfort. So there's literally a treatment with a peptide for literally everything.
You are literally like the God doctor.
Listen, I've been through it. Hey, everything I'm telling y'all, I'm taking it too.
Yeah.
So for her, in this instance, you know, we're going to be giving her peptides for all these things. But another thing, she is female. You're getting older. So guys, your vitamin D with K2 needs to be on point, because that can also decrease inflammation from joints as well, okay? And then also hormonal therapy. You don't have to wait till menopause or perimenopause to have hormones. If you're symptomatic, you're symptomatic. And we can address that with a low dose of testosterone, whether it's injectable or a pill that you put underneath your tongue that dissolves. So there's a treatment for everyone.
Yeah, and your girl also has ADHD. So Quan has been telling me that hormones play into that as well. So I'm really excited to see how this all comes together. I feel like Quan addresses things that your primary really doesn't. So y'all just make the appointment, child.
Yeah. And no offense, y'all, no knocks on any primary cares, but they don't go above and beyond. They're only going to give you the bare minimum, and then you got to book an appointment for the next question that you have. And then now you're waiting and you're having all these issues. So pay that money, use your HSA. These types of providers like me are the ones you want to go to that's going to dive deep and find an answer. And here where we are.
And it starts with your blood work. So it's like, that tells you the story, and then Quan just goes in and
and I mark it up with red. So you can tell me you're doing good, but when I get that blood work,
let's go tell the truth.
Exactly.
Yeah, I love your approach. I love your approach to wellness, and it's, I mean, I don't, this is my guy. Okay, I don't know what else to say.
Well, she already got this part handled. We're just trying to get the what's inside better.
Well, you know, it all plays a part.
Yeah, so what we're going to be doing with her, the peptide, I call it the Ultimate Fat Burner Beachbody Blend.
Ooh.
So what it does is it helps to shrink visceral fat. A lot of people have a lot of issues as they get older with losing their abdomen. Every time I do a weight loss consult, I want to get rid of my stomach. I want to get rid of my stomach. Well, this peptide is geared towards targeting fat in the stomach. It's called testosterone. It tells your body to produce growth hormone. The ipamorelin tells your body to release it, so that makes it work a lot faster. Yes, you could take some testosterone by itself, but it takes a little bit longer for you to get results from it, okay? Then we have what's called AOD, which is advanced obesity drug, which helps to lose body fat. Mont-C helps to increase what's called your mitochondria energy, which is ATP. So you have a good bang for your buck with this combo. So any of you guys out here trying to lose body fat, have better energy, lose this abdomen, I have lost a lot of weight from it myself. Last December, I was probably about 285, 290. I'm about 245 to 250.
There's no fat on the body, guys.
Yeah, so hey, the same things I'm giving y'all, I'm taking it too. So I have no shame in telling you, you want a provider that is doing the things. Don't go to somebody who big as hell talking about weight loss and peptides when they're not even doing the thing. You know?
I love that you mentioned visceral fat because as someone that's very open about like cosmetic procedures that I do, y'all know I tell y'all everything. I feel like post liposuction, it's like on the surface, I love everything, but there's like a level of fat that I feel like I cannot attack.
Correct.
And I think that's what a lot of women suffer from too. Like the body is shaped well, but you have this puffiness in certain areas that I'm like, what is it? That's not bloat. It's not just bloat, you know?
And one thing I tell people as someone who used to do lipo is all those fat cells are not gone. So the minute you try to eat bad and, you know, and binge eat, well, those fat cells are going to grow. Like, they take most of them out, but some of them are still there. But then you have things like continued lymphatic massages using things like Venus Legacy that can also burn body fat, which we'll do on you as well. But that helps to get rid of those areas that are unwanted. And then those of you who have inflammation and bloat all the time, you need to do food sensitivity because you're eating foods that doesn't, we should do that on YouTube.
You did tell me about that. Yeah. I've been also on carnivore. I think like eliminating a lot of things I've been helping. So yeah, I'm excited about that too.
Yeah, and then with carnivore too, you definitely want to check your cholesterol with that too. Because sometimes if you're doing that, your HDL, which is your good cholesterol, isn't where it needs to be.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
See? I'm looking over here. You see? Okay.
So guys, pointer, you want to do all these things, blood work, food sensitivity. Y'all think it's expensive. It's not. It's one test to tell you so much about your body instead of you over here playing chess. Get the blood work. It's not hard.
And we can't do everything. Like I know we have ChatGPT and Googles and all the things and the TikToks. Go to the professionals, guys. Because you can just knock it out at once. You know, I think a lot of people try to like push these and kick these cans down the road. You're going to pay for it. Just pay for it. Once.
Exactly. And then guys, you don't even have to be in Atlanta. We can ship the blood test to you. We can ship the food sensitivity test to you. All you got to do is do it. The order's already there. You just need to do that little part for us and we can tell you what you need to know.